Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to do wire transfers on a Fifth Third Bank. You can actually use the app and just go ahead and log in using your user ID and password. Then after that, you just come at the bottom, you click here on Move Money. And what I want you to do is click here, Send Money with Zelle, because you can go ahead and send money to other people on their bank accounts. Okay, these other options are to go ahead and transfer to your own bank accounts. This one's to pay off your bills. But I'll choose here Send Money with Zelle, and then you can just go ahead and click on Send Money again. And if you have recipients added, you can choose them, or you can go ahead and enter their Zelle tag, their name, phone number. You can click on the plus icon to add more recipients. But once you find the recipient you want to send to, enter the amount. Let's say we'll send $12, enter that, and then hit review. So here it shows from which account you're sending that money. Okay, so let's say you can add a memo as well before you make the final payment. Come here, click on Send a Payment, and the payment will be sent. They'll get an email as well. Within minutes, the fund will be available to them. You click on Got It, and you'll see it under Recent Activity as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.